Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, January 4th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart, and we are using as well the technical support, technical resistance, classical technical analysis tools together with the Fibonacci levels and the Elliott wave theory. So what is going on here on the Bitcoin? As you can see, we got a potential double top. We got a potential double top around the level of 41,604, 41,851. So the difference is very limited, very marginal. And yesterday, big volatility spiked to the downside, mostly because of the potential rejection of the spot BTC ETF approval and postponing this spot Bitcoin ETF to the second quarter of the 2024, and the rumors that hit the markets caused this nice big spike to the downside. So potential double top, consolidation zone is intact. The technical support, the key technical support is 37,194. The local high, as I said, 41,604, 41,851. This is basically the limited, let's say, the upside, the limitations of the upside. Now, the market still trades above 100 and 200 periods moving average, and the outlook remains bullish. However, the potential price formation in form of the double top might be a little bit misleading. Nevertheless, if we take a look at the divergence between what the price is doing, making new higher highs, and what is the momentum doing, making new lower highs, especially after this spike to the upside, which didn't even hit the level of 70 on the RSI, right? We might think that general outlook might be slightly skewed to bearish, actually. So it looks like this market needs a correction. This market needs a correction to the downside. So it would be very beneficial for traders to look out for the specific levels, like 58,000. Basically the lows of here might be a little bit helpful in this. So that lows here, 58,000, and of course the technical support at 37,194, and eventually the other technical support located at, let me just get my line, located roughly around 35,546. So that's of course the technical support as well. The other scenario is that this range will be maintained. This range will be maintained, which actually means that we are going to bounce up and down within this this zone until the market decide where it wants to go, whether it wants to continue the up movement, the uptrend, or it wants to do bigger correction way below the 37,287 technical support. So for now, the long-term outlook is bullish, the long-term trend is bullish, but be careful with the current bullish bias, because market is sending some kind of clues, some kind of indications that the temporary pause for the uptrend is needed, and the market will either enter a consolidation cycle, or horizontal trend will be extended, or there will be a breakout to the downside in order to do healthy, nice correction before the uptrend is continued. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.